My dream to buy a Toyota Supra started when I first watched the first Fast and Furious. Finally, at the end of 2020, I had the opportunity to buy my dream car. On the beginning of 2021, I decided to build an engine to make this Supra the fastest car I own. If you missed the engine building videos, check out the Supra Turbo Build series playlist. And since all the drifting events for the year are over, I finally decided to start the process and take the Supra engine out. And one important step is to empty the fluids. Oil was all out. Now, start taking the coolant. There you go. Then we start removing all the plastic intakes, fan shroud and radiator. So I lowered the car a notch, exhaust is out. I took the transmission out, I took the mount, so you see it's lowered. Even the engine is out of the mount already. Every single wire I put inside that bag and is hanging out there. Because this is too close to the car, I decided to take the bumper and the headlights just in case it breaks. I'm gonna take one bolt here, two nuts out there. So I'm gonna pull it out, the other one is out already. Okay, engine is almost out. Alright, engine there, car there. What I'm gonna do is push it outside. Ready? Oh no. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We made it out. This is what we end up with today. I'm taking the transmission out. The floor was all dirty, so I cleaned it. And now we have all of this here to clean, make it pretty, shiny, and then the new engine is gonna go in there. So, this is how we end this phase. Engine is out, transmission is separated, it's out, everything is good. New engine is there, old engine is there. That's gonna be future project for something. I'm going to try to weld the part that I messed up in here on this intake. And then we're going to start tightening the turbo, doing all that stuff, because this is going in. And later.